Hi friends, welcome to our English grammar period. Now today we will see about a new topic that is called the question tag. Maybe this topic is new for you, but don't worry about it. I will explain what is the meaning of question tag and why we use the question tag. The grammar. What is the use of that? Okay. Now here we have written the question tag. That is also called the tail tag. Question tag is also called the tail tag. Now the question tag we always use this question tag in our daily language or daily purpose. Whenever we are talking in our own mother tongue, suppose in Hindi, if you are talking Hindi, suppose there is a sentence, मैं कल स्कूल आया था, मैं कल स्कूल आया था, उसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा बोलते हैं कि आया था कि नहीं, फिर से क्वेश्चन रिपीट करते हैं। वैसे ही जैसे एक सेंटेंस होता है कि मैं कल स्कूल आया था, लेकिन उसके बाद जो हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं कि आया था कि नहीं, आया था कि नहीं, नहीं मीन्स यहाँ पर होता है कि नेगेटिव फॉर्म। ओके, लेकिन हमारा जो पहला सेंटेंस है, द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज पॉजिटिव, बट वी आर एडिंग द टैग नेगेटिव फॉर्म नहीं. In this same way, we are using these tags in English language also. Suppose I will explain one sentence. In this sentence, the statement is given. He tells the truth. He tells the truth. We have added here yes to the main verb. Why? Because here the singular noun is there, singular subject. That's why we are using here yes. That's why that sentence is he tells the truth. But whenever we are adding the question tag or the tail tag to this sentence, what we have to do? We have to write the sentence first complete as it is. He tells the truth. After that, remove this full stop and instead of the full stop, add here comma. He tells the truth. After comma, you have to add the tag here. Doesn't he? Ab doesn't he? After that, we are adding the question mark. But why we have added doesn't? What is the correct way to use the doesn't? ये कैसे लेना है? Doesn't ही क्यों लेना है? We will see some rules. By using these rules or these points, you can clear that why we have added doesn't and why we are adding here not word in this sentence. Okay. Now here the some points are given to make the question tag, to add the question tag to the given sentence. See, first, only special verbs are used in the question tag. Special verbs, you know that main verb and the second form of the verb only used in the sentences. See, sentences with main verb that is V1 have the question tags with do or does. Here, if suppose here the main verb is tells. In this sentence, main verb is tells. In this type of sentences, we add only do or does. Here already yes is there with the verb. That's why we have added here does. Suppose here if yes is not there, then we can add only do to the given sentence. And we have added not also. Okay, we will see the second point. After the second point, you will clear that why we added not. Now see the third. Sentences with V2. V2 means the second form of the verb or the past participle of the verb. Have the question tags with did. अगर सेंटेंस में अगर वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म होता है तो वो सेंटेंस को हम क्वेश्चन टैग डिड से बनाएंगे. जैसे डू या डज की जगह पर did. Instead of do or does, we will add only did. And if the sentence is positive, we will make negative. And the sentence is negative, then we have to add positive tag. Okay. Now see the fourth point here given. Positive sentences have negative question tag. अगर हमको दिए वाला सेंटेंस, this sentence is positive sentence. He tells the truth. This is a positive sentence. But we have added here not. We are making negative question tag. The rule is that अगर हमको कोई भी चीज, जैसे हमने एक सेंटेंस बोला था कि कल मैं स्कूल आया था, दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, लेकिन उसके बाद हम पूछते आया था कि नहीं, जब हम नहीं बोलते तो वहां पर हम नेगेटिव लेते हैं। इसीलिए यहाँ पर भी वैसे सेम he tells the truth, ये पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, इसको हम नेगेटिव फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन टैग बनाएंगे, doesn't he, इसको लगाएंगे। वैसे ही देखो, second point is there, fourth point, positive sentences have negative question tags। अब जैसे सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव होता है तो उसके लिए हम नेगेटिव टैग लगाते हैं, वाइस वर्सा उसके उल्टा देखो, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस हैव द पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चन टैग। अगर सेंटेंस नेगेटिव है, see here one example is there, Rani doesn't tells the truth, doesn't, we have added here negative words, Rani doesn't tells the truth। अब यहाँ पर रानी हमने क्या लिया है, रानी doesn't tells the truth। अब रानी क्या है, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, इसके आगे लिया है doesn't tells the truth। अब यहाँ पर देखो, रानी doesn't tell the truth, ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, लेकिन ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को हमने क्या किया है, नीचे देखो, रानी doesn't tell the truth, sentence we have taken as it is, we are removing the full stop with here comma, इसे full stop की जगह पर हम क्या लिख रहे हैं, comma, and we are added here does she। यहाँ पर doesn't है, नेगेटिव है, तो क्वेश्चन टैग में हम क्या लगाएंगे, पॉजिटिव, does she, she is because of the Rani, Rani is here female, that's why we are using here singular noun she। Okay, in this way the subject of the question tag is always pronoun, subject of the question tag। जैसे यहाँ पर रानी हमारा क्या है, सब्जेक्ट। अब ये सब्जेक्ट, जैसे रानी का उधर क्वेश्चन टैग लगाते टाइम पे रानी नहीं आए, डोंट राइट रानी, इंस्टेड ऑफ रानी यू कैन यूज आई, वी, यू, ही, शी, इट, दे। इसमें से कोई भी एक प्रोनाउन, जैसे रानी में है तो रानी के लिए अगर ये फीमेल है तो हम यहाँ पर शी लेते, अगर यहाँ पर अगर लड़का होता तो हम क्या लेते, ही। ओके, यहाँ पर जो सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट टू रिलेटेड हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वहां पर प्रोनाउन लेंगे। हियर शी इज। ओके, इन दिस वे वी कैन मेक द क्वेश्चन टैग्स टू द गिवन सेंटेंसेस। आई हैव गिवन सम स्पेशल वर्ब्स, short forms of the negative। now see here some given words are there। suppose we are writing is plus not, is plus not, अगर हमको is लेकर जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है क्वेश्चन में, जो दिए वाला हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, कुछ क्वेश्चन में हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं, अगर क्वेश्चन में अगर हेल्पिंग वर्ब किया है उसको अगर नॉट लगाना है, सपोज हियर हेल्पिंग वर्ब नॉट, सॉरी is है, is plus not we will write isn't, am plus not, अगर am आता है तो amn't में लिखना है, we can write aren't, we have to write aren't, are plus not, आर अगर है क्वेश्चन में तो आर प्लस नॉट आरंट, सेम was plus not wasn't, were plus not weren't। these are the short forms with the helping verbs and the negative word not, we can write like this। अगर हमको दिया है कि can, if suppose the given sentences, in the given sentence I can write, here the meaning of the sentence is that I can write, मैं लिख सकता हूँ। suppose किसी ने बोला can you add the question tag, yes, why not, first you have to write the as it is sentence I can write, after that remove this full stop with comma, I can write, after that अब देखो ये सेंटेंस में पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव क्या नहीं, तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन टैग जो बनाएंगे हम क्या लगेगा, हमको नेगेटिव लगेगा। क्यों, क्योंकि यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस का अगर क्वेश्चन टैग लगाना है तो नेगेटिव फॉर्म में लगाना पड़ता है। इन द सेम वे I can write, after that here subject is I, okay, here helping verb can, model auxiliary, it works as a helping verb। see here can plus not, we have to write not, can plus not is here I can't and subject is here, and after that you have to add question mark. In this way we can make the sentences. Here suppose अगर आपको helping verb दिया है, अगर आपको helping verb दिया है, suppose Rajesh is my best friend. Rajesh is my best friend. This is the statement. That sentence किसको दिया? You have to add the question tag with to this sentence. How? You can use the same 4 points to add the question tag to the given sentence. अब जैसे write the sentence as it is. Rajesh is my best friend. After that, remove this full stop with comma. Okay. After that, you can add the question tag. जैसे Rajesh is my best friend. अब यहाँ पर Rajesh, this is the subject and this is the helping verb. अब ये helping verb है. अब ये helping verb को आपको क्या लेना है? Negative word not. Why? Because the given sentence is positive statement. और जब question tag लगाते हैं इसको तो इसका negative form आता है. See here, is plus not. We have here is plus not, isn't is there. जैसे अब is plus not, isn't. Here Rajesh is there. Here name है. Don't write this name. You can use the pronoun of this name. जैसे राजेश है, राजेश है तो क्या लेंगे हम? He, she, it में से क्या लेंगे? He. You can add he. So here, right here, isn't he? After that, add question mark to the given sentence. This is the correct way to add the question tag to the given sentences. You can use the helping verbs given here, the list of helping verbs you can use with your sentences to add the question tag. Okay? I hope that you all cleared this point. Okay, thank you.